Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video part of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8, and this time we are going to check on the offered menus and features available in the Xiaomi Smart Band 8, one of the latest fitness tracker from Xiaomi, also known as the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So here in the packaging it says Xiaomi Smart Band 8. So we are going to check on this. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your questions if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. I'm excited to see the different menus and features available in this wearable. But before that, again, let's take a look at the design of this fitness tracker from Xiaomi. Okay, so beautiful fitness tracker here, lightweight. Okay, 2.5D screen, or 2.5D glass protection. Okay, so let's check. On top to bottom, we have the notifications. Okay, from the bottom to the top, we have the menus. On the left side, we have the quick settings. So we have here find phone, we have the battery, do not disturb mode, and we have the settings. Okay, nothing else. Okay, on the right side, we have the shortcut to the different menus of the wearable. Okay, so we have, I think this is the weather. So we have here the sports activity, and we have the heart rate. Again, going back on the bottom part, we have, as you can see here, the statistics, the workout, activity, running, status here, heart rate, okay, pi, blood oxygen monitoring, we have sleep monitoring, we also have stress, weather, alarm, we also have Alipay, and more. Let's check on this. We have events, alert, breathing, stopwatch, music, find phone, we have a world clock, silence phone feature, we have camera control, timer, flashlight, focus. Okay, what else? Going back, settings, let's go to the settings. What are the options on the settings? We have the settings here. So we have running mode, band display. This one, what is this display? Okay, brightness, auto lock. Let's change it. Let's make it longer, around 30 seconds. Okay, raise to wake, screen on for, so we have an always on display support, do not disturb, app notifications, auto detect. I guess we also have the security here, and we have the battery. Okay, so battery saver and battery optimization. Okay, and then going back again to the menu, let's check on the sports function. We have outdoor running, walking, freestyle, hiking, we have outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, swimming or pool swimming, and more. So we have water sports here, at least 16 sports. Outdoor activities, we have 10 sports. So we have a lot of sports on the training. Dance, 14 sports. Combat sports, we have at least 12. Ball sports, we have 26. We also have winter sports here, 11. Recreational sports, we have at least 14. And cardboard games, we have at least 5 sports and other sports here. So let's check, for example, the ball sports. Let's check in here. We have tennis, basketball, golf, soccer, volleyball, baseball, softball. Okay, we also have hockey. Let's check for the badminton. Okay, so let's see. So it calculates or monitors the calories and the time. Okay, and long press. Okay, going back, workout, outdoor running. Let's check. connect your band to phone to be able to record route information. So this is for the GPS, connected GPS. So it supports connected GPS, but it doesn't have a built-in GPS. So it monitors for the pace, calories, cadence, okay, steps. So it monitors a lot of options here, or metrics. Okay, stop. Okay, for the heart rate, let's see. Okay, measuring. So let's see. Be still. Okay, let's see if we'll have a fast result of the heart rate. Okay, we have here the 92 beats per minute. Okay, so it also detects whether you are wearing the fitness tracker properly or not when you are monitoring your heart rate. So it's a real-time true heart rate monitoring. Also have SpO2, blood oxygen level. Okay, so let's check other details here. Pie, sleep, stress, weather, alarm. Also have Alipay. Auto detect. Okay, we have app notifications. You can set it here. Vibration. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and features available in the Xiaomi Smart Band 8. So we are going to check more on other features offering in this wearable when we check on the support app. Okay, so it is using the Mi Fitness support app. So we are going to have also a tutorial on how to install the fitness tracker, okay, or connect it with the Mi Fitness app. So that's it for the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 fitness tracker menus and features. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your questions if we do have that time. Goodbye.